So enjoy your paneer do pyaza with chapati. That's it. Thank you.
Welcome to my channel Khane Ki Kahani. I think all are fine. So today I will make a new dish, paneer do pyaza. It is the very easy preparation and simple preparation. Easily you can make it at your home. Okay, whatever I show you in my channel, it is the easy preparation and the easy ingredients I use. Easily you can collect it and then you can make it. Okay, so I want to show you the all ingredients one by one. Just have a look. This is the common ingredients here. The tomato, 4 tomato and 4 onion I have taken, uh, ginger and garlic paste I will take, and some hot spices, that means garam masala, whole garam masala I have taken here, peppercorn, clove, small cardamom, bay leaf, and one green chili and one red chili. So if you want to take it the less spicy, then that you can also not use it, but half of red chili and half of green chili you can use. And this one is just, see carefully, this is the cuts of beetroot. I have taken small cut of beetroot to enhance the flavor and color also. Okay, coloring agent, as a coloring agent I use here, and green coriander leaf, it's the fresh green coriander leaf we have to use here. And this is the paneer and kasuri methi. This kasuri methi I have to use. So first of all I will roast it in hot seat or tawa, and then just powder with the help of your hand palm, and then you can mix it. And all Indian spices which is easily available in your kitchen. Okay, so this is the coriander powder, turmeric powder, and degi mirch. Basically it is coloring agent, coloring purpose we have to use. And chili, this is chili. Okay, so chili powder also, and salt and cumin. This is the basic ingredients to make paneer do pyaza. Basically paneer do pyaza we have to use 2 times onion. So I will show you step by step. Have a look. Now I cut all vegetables, all onion and tomato I already cut it. So one type of cut I just show you. This is the sliced onion, as you just slice it. Okay, to make a gravy. And after cooked or after prepared our gravy, then this type of cut I will mix it with this gravy. Okay, and a roughly cut tomato, and I also use, this is the beetroot little bit. Okay, to increase its color, and green coriander and ginger, chopped ginger, and as it is other ingredients. So let's start the preparation of paneer do pyaza. I already open here to kadai use. Okay, and add oil also. So first time I will take little cumin to prepare main gravy. Okay, and whole masala I will use here, bay leaf and whole garam masala,
Then use half of green chili. Half of green chili. Okay, I use little oil, cooked oil, and mix onion. And another side, this is also hot. I use this tomato and cucumber here. If need, then you can also use little bit water and then cover it. Little bit water and cover it. Cook 5 times. 5 minutes. Then it will be completely cook it. Completely cook it. And you will cook till light brown color. It will cook till brown color. Little bit salt I just spread here. And use little bit chopped ginger and garlic paste. Ready-made garlic paste, ginger garlic paste also I will use here. Ginger and garlic paste, and chopped ginger also I use, fresh ginger. Yes, I think tomato already done. Yes. Now I will make a smooth paste with the help of mixer grinder. It's too hot, so you use an duster. Yes, it's done. Got it the nice color. Okay, nice color. Because of chukundur. So I just use little bit water. And finally strain and pour here.
You can see it. Now I will take little curd and coriander powder, haldi powder little bit, and garam masala. Okay, mix properly, and finally I will add with this gravy. Now see its color of this gravy. Just focus here. Just see this color. Then I will use this onion. Okay, this onion now I will use here. So because of that, and some green coriander spread here, green coriander, and cook some time. Cook some time. Then use paneer also. Just mix your paneer with your gravy. And finally, I will use desi ghee. Just have a look. This is the ghee. Desi ghee. I will use little more. This is the desi ghee. In finishing time. So it is also available at your home. Otherwise, you can use butter and little bit cream also you can use. So just look its color. And finally I will add kasuri methi. Yes, it's already roasted. So little kasuri methi I will spread, mix it. Nice. Little bit salt according to your taste. Just taste it, and then if you need, then you will add salt. Now it's plating. Just see it. This is paneer do pyaza. Easily you can make at your home. Easily make it. Thank you watching this video.